Happy greetings! I am Rani Diksha. Today we are excited because we are going to celebrate Pongal. But there is a twist. We are going to cook together. We are going to cook some dishes like chapati, paneer butter masala, pulao, fries, cheese balls, desserts and so on. I am really excited to cook with my friends and going to enjoy our wonderful meal. Let's hope that turns out well.
How we are going to make?
I love my father 100%. I love my mother 100%. I love my family 100%. I love my school 101%. I love my school, Acharya. I love my school, Acharya. I love my teacher 100%. I love my classroom 100%. My future starts here 100%. So I love my school 101%. One life, one school, Acharya. World class education. I love my school, Acharya. World class education. I love my father 100%. I love.
Happy greetings! I'm Rani Sudarshya. Today I'm really delighted to share my experience of this Pongal celebration. Every year we celebrate Pongal celebration and wait for the Pongal celebration. Yes, it's an amazing experience. But still, this year was something really interesting because we cooked this year. Cooking is a basic life skill which is very important in our life because without food we can't do nothing. So we really enjoyed this experience and learned many new things and learned how to cook. We cooked many things and I didn't expect that to turn that delicious. But really, trust me, that was really delicious and the Pongal celebration was really a blast experience for me. I would like to thank my school Acharya for giving me this wonderful opportunity to cook, learn and have a wonderful and joyful experience with my friends. Thank you.